Welcome back to our exploration of Facilities Connect Pro. We are currently in the admin function looking at the Manage menu. So where we left off was managing places, so now we're going to talk about managing pricing. So the first choice is the application fee or processing fee. So this is where you would go in to add an application fee if you have one. And a fee is a one-time charge, usually with each application. The next is hourly services and rental items. Clicking on that, you can see that you can have a whole menu of items that users can select. Some can be required, like custodial services. Others can be selected by the group, say a box lunch, or they need a projector. If you need the HVAC on during the summer when you normally have them turned off, you can charge for that. So this is where you go to manage that. And then our next one, we're going to go to the price classifications. And the classifications are how pricing is assigned. So you have you can set this up any way you want, but we have Class 1 as an internal, which is free use. Class 2 is community-based, not-for-profit, and so on. You have a brief description of those of the classifications, what goes where, and that way when a group is registering, they can look at a drop-down menu, look at the description, and figure out, in their opinion, where they fall as far as the group classification and therefore pricing. You, of course, have to approve that, but having the description is helpful. The next is the price list name, and this would be every time you add a new price list, you change the fees. It populates here, and then there are other drop-down menus you'll see later that references that. The next is space pricing, and this is very similar to what you looked at before, and it takes you right into the space profile where you can establish your pricing for that. And the last is setup services. So this is for if there needs to be something specific done, an arrangement made, you can charge for that. So if a group is going to come in and they want 100 chairs set up, you can add a fee for that if you so desire, and so they can select it. If you want the bleachers out, if you want the bleachers up, you want the baskets down, all of that stuff, you can assign a cost to doing that, and this is where you would do that from.